Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am Javins Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayati Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So we are here to discuss the topic, that is the sign, stimuli and releasers. So this topic comes under the subject that is the behavioral science. So let's start. So what is the sign, stimuli and the releaser? So actually both the terms are the synonyms, and they are the same thing. So sign stimuli, also known as the releasers or the key stimuli, so are those stimuli that are capable of releasing the fixed action pattern. Okay, so they are actually the signals that evoke any instinctive pattern of the behaviors in the animals, such as the fighting behavior in the territorial animals, that is triggered by the entry of another animals. So the entry of the another animal is a sign stimuli for the instinctive pattern, that is the fighting. Okay, so it is clear. So first of all, the scientist Conrad Lorenz in 1972, the first biologist to identify the sign stimuli, and which he called the key stimuli. Why? Because they function as keys for to release and unlock the fixed action pattern of the animal. So he proposed the innate release mechanism also in the response to the sign stimuli. So sign stimuli is often not is one character, but a combination of many stimuli. So it may be the shape of the bill, the color and patches on the body, or even the actions or the auditory signals. They can be the sign stimuli. So the sign stimuli or the releasers or the key stimuli can be of three types. Okay, the visual releasers, the auditory releasers, or the chemical releasers. So let's start with the visual releasers. What are that? So the visual releasers are the morphological characters that are displayed or elicit responses as display of the feathers or the dancing of the birds. The another example is the fireflies which emits the light that signals, and they bring about response from the females of the same species. So the visual releasers are the this type of. Next is the auditory releasers. So the sign stimuli is auditory signal, like humming sound of male insects. Okay, so the sound birds, and there are various types of the sound birds, and they attract the other species, other individuals of their species. Okay, so the song is a signature stimuli of individual bird, as it is the specific. Okay, each individual have a specific signature sign stimuli. So birds of different areas sing in different ways, and they effect different responses. So there is a variety of responses also. So the next releaser is the chemical releasers. So the example of the chemical releasers is the pheromones. So pheromones are different types, and they are volatile chemicals, and they release in the atmosphere, and they can have the sign stimuli for these individuals of the same species, or it can stimulate the other individuals of the other species. So the pheromones which affect the individuals of the same species uh, are known as the allomones. Okay, sorry, so the pheromones which affect the individuals of the same species are the pheromones, but which the pheromones which uh, have these stimuli for the individuals of the other species are known as the allomones. Okay, so the pheromones and the allomones. Pheromones affect the same species, and the allomones affect the other species. So next is the sorry, we are talking about the pheromones or the chemical results. So the pheromones in insects are produced by the females and perceived by the antennae of the males of the same species. So antenna in the insects are the receptors for the pheromones. So pheromones are effective from a couples of kilometers. So it can be sensed from the couple of kilometers. So the very good example is the in the honeybee. Okay, so in the honeybee, the queen, which is a female in the group, secretes the pheromones, and the drones or the other males in the group are attracted, and they from many kilometers. Okay, so thank you. These are the scientists and the religions, and hope you are satisfied with this digital session. And if you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve that. This session is powered by Digital Version 2 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.